Hello, Chef Adrish Mukherjee.
Hello,
So, what are you making today?
I'm making a cake today.
So, it's a normal one or is something special?
It's a special. It is it is a coffee cake.
Okay. So, for whom you are making it?
I'm making it for someone's birthday. You know,
Okay, so whose birthday it is?
today is Munai's birthday only.
Oh, so don't you want to wish her a very happy birthday?
Yes, but when the cake is ready.
Okay, so we will wait for your cake.
Okay, look.
Okay, thank you, Adrish.
Thank you. We are putting this egg in the mixie now. Hello. Now we have to mix the egg to make it fluffy. Now we are putting some melted butter in the cake mix. Putting the sugar in the mixie. Look and learn. Mixed sugar and the egg. Look and learn. Putting some milk on the coffee cake because it's a coffee cake. You all know. Watch and learn. In all-purpose flour, 1 cup. In a big bowl. Look, watch and learn. We are putting a little bit baking powder in the big bowl, which has the flour. All-purpose flour, I mean. Watch and learn. Now we are putting the batter into the bowl. Watch and learn. Hello, we are making cake right now.